Hello, my YouTube friends. I've been absent for a while. This is Steve Kawamaniac. So what I have been doing? Well, I decided to polish the wheels. Okay, by myself, no experience. So I did some research. Yeah, let me tell you this. It's not an easy job. I managed to do it. It's not bad, right? It's not perfect either, but from this distance looks okay. I did the back wheel because I have a stand, right? I mean partial polish, not fully. Looks pretty decent. And I also cleaned up the pipe. Needs a little bit more, but I think it came out decent. It was very rusted in some spaces, like some places right here. It was scratched all over. It's not perfect, but again, from distance, looks decent. Eventually, I will end up changing the can, but I think it looks okay now. It looks clean, right? Uh, it will need a little bit more polishing, which I will do, and the wheel could use a little bit more, like with the last compound at the Red Rouge. I will do it. I did it already once, but front wheel, nothing yet. Why? Because I don't have a stand and I don't want to keep moving the bike back and forth, so I'm going to have to buy a stand. What else I did? Put the grips on and these bar ends. Yeah, some people hate them. They prefer stock. I'm okay. I think it looks adds some more green. I'll try to keep the bike as stock as possible, but I'm not against little ads on here and there. And I'm not a rich guy, so I don't have a lot of money to spend on OM parts. They're really starting to be expensive and hard to find. What's in the project? I'm waiting for the undertail. I mean, yeah, it's already ordered. It's being shipped. Um and I'm also waiting for the stickers, as I think I updated you guys on that one last time. I found a company in UK, Imageworks, and they are able to reproduce them, so it's not going to be the original ones, but it looks pretty close. It will be hard to to tell once they are on. So I'm happy about that. In a few, maybe a couple of weeks, I should get them. Um, so then I just have to do the front wheel polish, buff and polish, remove sand and everything. It's add the stickers. So now the muffler looks decent, uh, and yeah, small stuff. I'm gonna probably also add a seat, passenger seat cover from Louis Moto. I decided to go with the actual cover. Uh, that they are doing it in the matching colors, green and white and everything, and it's that way the seat is usable. The pyramid tail cover, it's just I don't know. It looks nice, but to be honest, I found it very pricey, and the seat cannot be used after that. So I prefer it to have the seat usable, even though I'm not really planning to take anyone with me for a while. Uh, yeah, and then as soon as I'm done with the wheels and the undertail, the next project will be the sprockets and chain. I would like to go with green chain, I think, and stainless steel sprockets. I don't know, maybe JT sprockets and RK chain or DID, or again, I want to keep it in the budget. Like, it's not gonna go nuts with the most expensive and the most performance stuff. And then about the sprockets, I'm debating if I should do uh, if I should go down one on the front, go 1543 instead of 1643 the way it is the stock. Not sure though. I'll see. You know, obviously if you go 15 on the front, then you're gonna have more acceleration. The bike's gonna be jumpier. Lose some of the top end speed. I'm not worried about the top end speed. I'm not planning to go 200 anyway. So yeah, I would prefer maybe a little bit of quicker acceleration, but I'll see. I might just do stock, ride it for a while, and then decide later if I need more. Hey, I'm not a young dude looking for crazy riding, exciting, meaning like I'm not gonna do stunts or go 200 kilometers an hour. I think it has plenty of power for me. I'll see. Other than that, it's getting along slowly, right? What else? Oh yeah, the tank, the dent. For now, I'm gonna leave it like this. I decided to do it gypsy style, cover it with a sticker, and I found a really cool sticker. Basically, it's Kermit punching through a hole, right? So it's gonna look like the tank is being punched through by Kermit, right there, and that's how it's gonna be for a while. Or I'm gonna try to find a tank bra, but it doesn't seem like it's available. I don't want to cover the whole tank, but they have those. I know Second Look used to have those kind of half covers, but I can't find them anymore. They went out of business, so they still sell stuff, not on their website, but not for ZX7R. Other than that, I'm debating if I should tint the screen. On this one, it's covered now. I have the tinted one, double bubble. I don't want to buy a new screen, and what I did on my 650 Ninja, you can see it there. I actually plasti dipped inside, right? So I plasti dipped inside, and it turned out really great. Outside was like really like completely black basically, and if you change your mind, you just rip off the plasti dip in the back, and then you have the screen back. This is the original screen. It's not in bad shape. It has some scratches, couple, not bad though. A little bit of cleanup and it's gonna look pretty good. So I'm debating if I should keep it like that or not. Other than that, yeah, I can't wait for the good weather to take it a little bit outside. Right now it's really cold in Canada. It's about -20, and we had the other day about 40 centimeters of snow. And yeah, I've been working on this polishing and sanding thing for a while, but let me tell you this, like, it's not fun. It's not fun if you don't want to do it, if you don't have patience, and if you don't want to, it's work, then don't do it. I would, if I would have to do it again, I wouldn't do it. But again, it looks pretty good, right? It looks like, especially when I take it out, I'll take it out in the sun, and do the front one too. I think it's gonna look good. I'm trying to keep it, in affordable range. I don't want to spend thousands on it, so I'm trying to fix whatever I can fix on it. I still need to get touch-up paint. I found a company in the US. They are selling the original. I think it's 617 lime green or something like that. I have it saved on my computer, so I can buy the original touch-up paint to touch it up a couple spots here and there. And I think I'll get back to you guys soon as I have the stickers, and that's gonna be again a challenge. I never did that, so I'm gonna have to take off the fairings. I'll take them inside the house. I'll work there and pull off the old ones and put the new ones. Again, never did that. I really have to do some research on YouTube how to do it, because they're pretty big, right? It's not just a small piece, right? It's not. I mean, this whole thing, it's all together, right? So it's a big one piece, and then the white one, this one is separate. And yeah, and so on this side, that's the thing, right? See, the problem is that this side goes all the way down there, but it's one piece. But this is good. I mean, why would I change the bottom one? It looks so good. So I don't know, I might have to cut nicely here and then take only this, the rest, and then put, because that's what they're gonna send me. I think the way they did it in the computer, they showed me a mock-up. It's separate. They did it separate, black, and then so on this side I might just do this, and then the top all the way there, and then leave the bottom because it's perfect. On the other side, though, bottom is scratched and everything, so I'll I'll see. But yeah, um, and another project that I would like to do, it's wrap the RAM, the the tubes. I don't know, they're kind of scratched or something, or I can probably maybe paint it in some color. I mean, not color like black, obviously, but carbon fiber would look nice if I would do. It's so cold, even the throttle it's slow. Yeah, it's very cold. I don't have heated garage. Only I use the heater when I'm here. What else? Yeah, that's it. Looking forward to the good weather and to finish the polish and the leathers, and then take it out and take some pictures with it. Let's see how it's gonna look. Uh, yeah, it's getting along. Pretty exciting. Love it. Love it. All right, guys. I'll catch you later. I will update you once I do the stickers. Steve out.